Hello, Timothy. Here is Mr. Simplest, your teacher of mathematics. So, you are at home in this period of coronavirus pandemic. That's why you have these videos that we're going to teach you some math classes, and you will be interacting with us through internet with some other classes. So today I have a very interesting lesson for you, which is polynomials. You have studied algebraic expressions and equations, and this is a new chapter for you. Okay, so let us start with our lesson. The lesson is polynomials. Okay, so we're gonna start the first point to define what is a polynomial. So a polynomial is a finite sum of terms. Okay, you have so many terms, and then when those terms are finite, you can call them like polynomials. So example 1, you have the first expression, 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. It's also a polynomial. And the second is 5x squared plus 11x plus 2y. So we are still in introduction. We want to start how you can classify polynomials. Okay, I start here. You have some examples, classification and explanation. The first, you have 2x. So when you have 2x, we call it monomial. So with monomial, a monomial consists of one term. You have only one term. Okay, 2 is a coefficient. The second, you have 2x plus 3y. So here we call binomial. A binomial consists of two terms. You see, this is the first term, and here we have the second term. You understand? Very good. We go for the third. We have 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. Here you have a trinomial. A trinomial, as you see, we have how many terms? Very good. We have 3 terms. Okay, with a trinomial you have 3 terms. We go. Now when you have more than 3 terms, we call polynomials. Because polynomials, you have, like here we can count together, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you have more than 3 terms, we call polynomials. You can have 4, 5, 6, and so on. You have polynomials. Okay, so this is after the definition. The second point was how you can classify polynomials. Is it clear? Very good. So we go to the third point, a degree of polynomials. How can you know, how you can determine degrees of polynomials? So we say that the degree of a polynomial with one variable, okay, is the highest power to which the variable is raised. Here we don't talk about many variables. When we talk about variables, we say that you can use the letters of English alphabet. You can have a variable A, a variable B, a variable C, a variable X, a variable N, a variable Y, a variable Z. But when we're talking about the degree of polynomials, we have only one variable. Okay, so I have given some examples here. You have 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 4. If they want you to determine the degree of this polynomial, you see the variable is x, and which variable has the highest exponent? Here we have this, right? So what is the exponent of x? It is 3. So we will say it is a polynomial of a degree 3. Is it clear? Very good. We go to the second example. 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. You see here the variable is x. And what is the exponent of x? The exponent of x is 1. So, and it is a polynomial in general, but if we want to specify, we have how many terms? 2 terms. And we say when you have 2 terms, we call a binomial. So, it is a binomial of degree 1 because the exponent of x is 1. Thank you. The last one, minus 8, sorry, on the 5th power. Okay? So if we can see this polynomial, if you want to classify it, how many elements do we have, or how many terms we have? We have only 1 term. So only 1 term, and we have a monomial. And what is the power of the variable? The power is 5. So when we say it is can you complete with me? It is a monomial of a degree. What is the degree? 5. Very good. You are very smart. Thank you, my friends. So here we are at the end of our today's lesson. So we learned about the interaction of polynomials. The first point was to define what is a polynomial, and the second point was how you can classify to determine really if you have a monomial, a binomial, a trinomial, polynomials, and so on. And the third point was to determine the degree of the polynomial you may have. Thank you, and you will have some exercises to work on. See you on the next time. And don't forget, in this period of coronavirus, if you want to sneeze or cough, you have to cough with your elbow. Respect the social distancing. Don't greet people with your hands. So may God bless you. See you on the next occasion.